Today I'm making double chocolate sourdough granola. First, in a large bowl I have 1 cup of sourdough discard. Next I'm going to add a half a cup of olive oil. Then add a third of a cup of cocoa powder. Next add 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar. Mix that up until everything is combined. Next add 3 cups of oats. Then add 1 cup of chopped pecans. Mix that up until everything is combined. Then add the granola on a lined baking sheet and spread this out, and then I'm going to bake it at 350 for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, I'm going to flip over the granola and then put this back in the oven at 350 for another 20 minutes. Once the granola is done and it cooled completely, I'm going to sprinkle 1/4 cup of mini chocolate chips on top. My favorite way to use the granola is to make a yogurt parfait.